our 2016 Freightliner Sprinter refrigerated van. This one here's got 38,190 on the dash. Show you the interior here. So here's the controller for the refrigeration unit. It's very capable of getting freezing temperatures. Lots of storage up high. This refrigeration unit is engine driven, so it does not have standby. You see some of the lines going into the van there. It is in high idle mode right now. It helps cool it down a little bit quicker. See the unit up top, the VC520 Thermo King. This is dual rear wheel. No side entry on the van itself, only back here. There's the refrigeration unit. It does have LED lights inside. If you have any questions, call Dylan at 727-484-8583.